Hey folks, Chef Justin here, and today we're gonna make a beautiful brine for our turkey. The whole point of a brine is to make sure that we extract any moisture that's in the turkey, and we're gonna incorporate the flavor that's in Tepa Agave, and we're gonna add aromatics, salt, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna add 6 cups of water to our brine. So let's go ahead and get going. Got my bowl here. 2 cups, 4 cups, and 6 cups. We're gonna move on over to our cutting board. Now we're gonna add some aromatics. We're gonna add sage, rosemary, and thyme. Now this brine is gonna set for 24 hours, so over that period of time, the flavor from those herbs are gonna incorporate into that turkey. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. So let's go ahead and add our sage. I'm just gonna go ahead and just tear pieces right into the water here. Just like that. Rosemary, I'm just gonna pull on the opposite side of the leaves here towards the bottom of the stem. Just like that. Goes right into the water. I'm gonna do the same thing with the sage. Just go ahead and pull towards the bottom of the stem. Those leaves pull right off. And it's all flavor that we're pulling off of those stems. We're gonna go ahead and add about 6 or 7 stems here. Just like that. Now we're gonna add our Tepa Agave. So to 6 cups, we're gonna add a ½ cup of Tepa, okay? Just load up our measuring cup, and we're just gonna add it right into our water. Just like that. Beautiful caramelization. Beautiful flavors, can add so much flavor to your brine for your turkey. Now, we're gonna add some salt. So all we have to do here, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do a ½ cup of salt, okay? And it's gonna extract the moisture that's within that turkey, and it's gonna push in the flavor of Tepa Agave right into the turkey breast. It's gonna be delicious. Now all we have to do is just whisk until everything's dissolved. We have a beautiful color. The aromatics that are coming out of this brine right now are absolutely delicious. It smells beautiful. It smells like Thanksgiving. Beautiful. It smells beautiful. Love it. So I'm gonna take our turkey breast here. We're gonna add it right into our brine. You wanna make sure that the turkey breast is fully submerged into the brine. And we're gonna put this right in our fridge, and we're gonna keep it in there for 24 hours. All right, so our turkey's been brining for 24 hours. So we'll go ahead and pull it out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer the turkey into our baking dish. We're gonna put our baking dish in the oven at 300 degrees, and we're gonna cook that for 45 minutes. And all we're doing is we're just cooking it through. We're gonna get a nice eternal temperature, and then we'll get some nice caramelization on there later. Stay tuned. Hey folks, I got a beautiful side dish for you. We're gonna do a roasted butternut squash and roasted Brussels sprouts. It's awesome with the turkey, ham, whatever your heart desires. It's a great side dish for the family. We're gonna put some pomegranate seeds on top with some candy pecans. It's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. Enjoy. We've got the Brussels sprouts and roasted butternut squash in the wood fire pizza oven. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it. The agave nectar is actually building a beautiful caramelization on butternut squash and the Brussels sprouts. So we're super excited. back at you again, Justin here. So we finished up our turkey breast. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of Tepa Agave right on top. Just add a little bit of caramelization. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our butternut squash and roasted Brussels sprouts that we pulled out of the wood fire pizza oven. So we're gonna go ahead, pick these up. We're gonna lay them right down next to the turkey, just like that. How beautiful those look. Nice and roasted. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. A couple Brussels sprouts on there. Just kind of lay them out wherever you feel comfortable. Now we're gonna add our garnish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add pomegranate seeds right on top. That's a nice little sweetness, little crunch on there. Just like that. Look how beautiful that looks. Got some nice toasted pecans, perfect for the Thanksgiving season. I'm gonna lay these out, just like that. Now what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna finish it with a little bit of parsley and chive, just for color. If that's not Thanksgiving, I don't know what is. Look how beautiful that looks. Nice.